If you feel unmotivated, scattered, tired, it's not because you're broken. You've just been using tools that aren't designed for how your brain works. But now you've got the cheat codes, and if you actually use them, you'll scare people with how productive you are.
Raise your hand if you've downloaded a productivity app in the last month. Yeah, I thought so. We're all obsessed with finding the perfect system, the ultimate hack, the magical formula that'll turn us into productivity machines. But here's the plot twist nobody's talking about. All these productivity hacks are actually making you lazier than before. I know, sounds crazy. But stick with me because I'm about to show you exactly how your quest to be more productive is turning you into a professional procrastinator. Here's what's happening. You spend more time organizing your productivity system than actually being productive. Think about it. How many hours have you spent color coding your calendar, setting up the perfect task manager, or watching YouTube videos about the best morning routines? I call this productivity theater. You feel busy and accomplished, but you're just rearranging digital furniture. It's like spending 3 hours meal prepping to save 30 minutes during the week. The math doesn't add up, but it feels productive. And here's the kicker. Every new app or system gives you permission to delay actually doing the work. I can't start my project yet. I haven't found the perfect note-taking app. Sound familiar? You're not getting ready to be productive, you're avoiding productivity by staying perpetually ready. The research backs this up. Studies show that people who use multiple productivity tools actually complete fewer tasks than those who use simple methods. Why? Because you're outsourcing your thinking to apps instead of just thinking. But wait, there's more. These hacks are making simple tasks unnecessarily complicated. Writing a grocery list used to take 2 minutes. Now you need to categorize items by store section, set reminders, and sync across devices. Congratulations, you've turned milk and bread into a project management challenge. Your brain starts to believe that everything needs a system, a hack, and a special method. So when you encounter a task that doesn't fit your productivity framework, you freeze up. You've trained yourself to be helpless without your digital crutches. The irony? The most productive people I know use simple methods. A notebook, a basic to-do list, maybe a calendar. They spend their mental energy doing work, not managing systems. Look, I'm not saying all productivity tools are evil, but maybe, just maybe, you don't need 17 apps to live your life. Sometimes the best productivity hack is just starting the damn thing you've been avoiding. Quick favor, I'm trying to hit 200 subscribers before October ends. If this video made you question your app addiction, hit that subscribe button. Help a small creator out. What's the most ridiculous productivity hack you've tried? Drop it in the comments. I need a good laugh. Now stop watching productivity videos and go be productive. Peace out.